Hi. So today we are going to see pass by reference. Okay. So what is pass by reference? So pass by reference is any changes you make in the formal parameter will be reflected in the actual argument. Okay. Any changes you make in the formal parameter will be reflected in the actual argument. This is what we call it as pass by reference. Fine. Okay. Now let us write a very simple program to show how pass by reference work. Okay, let me start with main. I'm going to always your execution starts from main. Okay, so you have your main. Now inside your main, I'm declaring a variable called a and I'm initializing the value of 5 to it. Okay, assume that a is stored in address 1000. Please understand, always the address will be in hexadecimal value. Just for easy understanding, I've given it as 1000. Okay, now let me call a function fn where I'm going to pass the address of a as argument. Okay, I'm passing the address of a as argument. So I'm passing here the address of a is argument. Right. So now what happens when I call the function? It goes back to the function body. So I'm calling here the address of a. That means my formal parameter should definitely be a pointer to integer. Correct. Because only pointers can hold the address. Correct. Okay. So now what is the value of a here? A is equal to 1000. That is the address of mains a. Correct? Right. So I'm passing the address of a. The address of a is 1000. So just because this address, I need a pointer to hold the address. So now it need not be a. It can be anything. That is, say for example, I can have x or y or z, whatever it is. Okay. So the value of x is going to be 1000. What is that? That's the mains address. Mains variable a's address. Okay. Now I wanted, so x is referring to or x is pointing to the location of mains a. Correct. I wanted to change the value present in that location. So how do I change? Value at operator. So value at x is equal to 10. So what is this actually doing? X is pointing to the mains a location and I'm changing the value present in that location to 10. That's it. That's what I'm doing here. Now, once the function is over, it gets terminated. Now, actually, what is this statement doing? It is changing the value of mains a because x is pointing to the mains address, a's address, correct? So, star x is nothing but it's a value present in the mains variable a's location, correct? So, I try to print a here. A is equal to, what do you expect the answer to be? 10, correct? Because I've changed the value of a in the function, correct? So any changes you make here will be reflected in the actual argument. That's what is called as pass by reference. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are passing the address of a. So now this variable x is pointing to main a location. And if I change that value, that means I'm changing mains a value. Correct? This is what we call it as pass by reference. So I make changes here to star x, meaning I'm changing mains a. Okay, so any changes I make in this formal parameter will be reflected in the actual argument. This is what we call it as pass by reference. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a great day.